Namaste to all the lovely audience. I am Deepika. Here we are back with one more episode of BNMIT podcast with Professor Sudhir Rao, sir. I take this opportunity to welcome you, sir.
Namaste to one and all. Hello Deepika, hope you are doing good.
Yes, sir. To start with, let me tell a quote. Time and tide waits for none. Today we are here to know more about time management, which is crucial in our lives.
Yes, you coined it right.
Yes.
Right? And this is a very old saying that time and tide waits for none. So if you are planned in whatever activities you do, you're halfway successful, right?
Correct, sir. Yes, absolutely. So, according to you, what is the most important thing in time management in current generation?
So there are multiple things which is important, right? One is you need to be scheduled, you need to plan your time accordingly.
Yes,
The critical aspect of any time management is you need to ensure that you execute what you plan.
correct.
So planning is one important aspect and execution of the same is another important aspect as well.
Yes, sir. Absolutely. Planning is a crucial thing, and the execution is one more crucial
Absolutely.
thing. Yes, sir. So, according to you, how time management can help us in prioritization of these works?
So setting priorities is an important aspect in each one's life, right?
Yes.
Priorities to you may be different and priorities to me may be different.
Yes.
So what priorities you want to action first
Yes.
is the most critical thing, right? When you want to set a priority, I would strongly recommend you either jot it down on your phone or on your laptop or a piece of paper, wherever you want to do it.
Yes.
Right? And ensure that you have a weekly checklist, you have a fortnightly checklist, or you have a monthly checklist, and ensure that you go as per your plan. Don't try to deviate apart from that.
Yes, sir. Absolutely. Sir, do you think that this jotting down technique helps in multitasking also?
Yes, jotting down technique helps in multitasking because if you have jotted down, say, 10 tasks for a particular day and you have accomplished all your 10 tasks and you still have time left, maybe you can pull in another one or two tasks of the next day, right?
Yes.
With this, you are proactive in knocking off your activities which is scheduled for the next day as well.
True, sir. I wanted to share one example for this. That is, after joining my MBA, even I have started to jotting down these checklists where I have been balanced and I have to complete all the tasks at a time without any delays, sir. This is a very good tip for all our audience, sir.
So you have said it right and you have experienced it, right?
Yes.
Once you have started jotting down and doing your activities as per your schedule.
Correct.
So if you ask me, I follow a personal rule called as a 987 rule, right?
Okay.
All of us are left with just 24 hours per day.
Yes, sir.
Out of which I prioritize or I channelize my time in this way. 9 hours we spend at work, right? And 8 hours we need a balanced sleep.
Yes.
We need it for our good body and mind.
Yes.
And 7 hours is the time when you have it for yourself, wherein you will have to spend time with your family, network with your friends, right? Practice your hobby if you have any, or maintain your physical fitness.
True.
If you follow these activities, right? And I think you would be a balanced individual.
True, sir. Yes, this is a really good tip for all our audience because 987 rule and actually gives you a balanced work life throughout the day, sir. Yes. So, do you think that this time management helps us to handle our stress in our daily life?
Yes. Why do people get stressed? There are multiple reasons, right?
Yes.
One reason could be that they want to do a lot of things. They have the capability to do a lot of things,
Correct.
right? But ultimately, when they are not able to plan their time well, they are not executing their activities as planned.
Yes.
This leads them to stress.
Yes,
Right?
true,
So
sir.
if you have a planned schedule, I am sure nothing stops you from growing and getting your activities done well.
Correct, sir. Absolutely right, sir. So, we have heard about lot of buzz in the market about that today students are studying at nights rather than morning. What is your take on this, sir?
So this is personal to every individual, right?
Correct.
So if you are an early bird, you can continue to do that. If you want to study late at night when things calm down or settle down, you can do that.
Yes.
Right? It is an individual choice. But it is scientifically proven that after a good rest for the mind and you open up your book and start reading, the grasping capacity increases.
Oh, wow,
Right?
great.
And the grasping capacity is good for all the individuals.
Correct.
It is recommended that you have an early start.
Yes,
Right?
yes.
So that it is imbibed in you and it is well lit in your mind.
Correct, sir. True. As you said, today's generation needs more of physical strength, which can be we get it that physical strength from our early morning start, and we have a throughout active energy throughout all our days, sir. That is a very good tip from you, sir. So, what do you think that this time management helps us to instill discipline on ourselves?
Yes, managing time and following your timetable itself is a discipline by itself, right?
Correct, sir.
So having a self-discipline comes only when you're able to manage your time well and act according to your schedules.
Correct, sir. Yes, absolutely right. Sir, as you said about discipline, should this discipline come from earlier age for the students?
Yes, early start is a good start, right? So if you have this habit of planning your activities and ensuring you consistently tackle all your activities,
Yes.
right? It's a discipline by itself. Having said that, better late than never. If you have not started, I would strongly recommend you to be a planned person.
Yes.
And most important is just not jotting down your activities, ensuring that it is consistently followed. Maintaining consistency is the key here.
Yes, sir, absolutely. You told about consistency. As we can see, any business tycoon, this consistent effort can only become business tycoon. This is an example for
Absolutely.
consistency, sir. So today we have heard more about procrastination in the market. What is your take on that, sir?
So procrastination, in my opinion, is postponement, right? Or thinking too much about an activity and ultimately you don't do that activity. What happens with many of them is they, just as a simple example, they want to go on a morning walk, right?
Yes, sir.
They are unable to do so. They are on their beds and start watching reels on the mobile phones, and their morning walk is gone for a toss. They are not able to do that. So procrastination can be tackled if you are not distracted.
Yes.
Try to ensure that you commit to yourself and ensure that whatever tasks you plan to do, you execute them well.
Yes, sir. Absolutely told, sir. So finally, any tip or suggestions to our audience which can help them to complete their time management and complete their schedule?
A small tip what I will recommend to all the respected audiences, you please plan your time within a piece of paper and ensure you consistently follow that, right? Ensure that you follow your schedules. You ensure that you would be able to tackle it in a good way.
Yes, sir, absolutely. As you said about 9-8-7 rule, and as you told about the consistency way, as you told about the jotting down, these all the tips which can help us to complete our tasks throughout the day, which helps us to not to delay our work. So it is a very good point, and it is a very good tip to all our audience. So it was a very interactive and very insightful talk with you, sir. Today we have enriched our knowledge from this talk, sir. Thank you very much for sharing your tips and techniques with our audience, sir.
Thank you one and all.
Finally, I would like to state a Sanskrit quote, that is Kalaya Tasmai Namaha. It says that we have to bow to the divine time. We have to respect time. Then only we can achieve success. Give time the priority and give your time a proper work schedule so that you can achieve all your goals and all your achievements. Finally, with this, we would like to wind up this session. Catch you up in the next session. Stay planned, stay informative, stay authentic. Thank you, everyone.